Horribly humiliated. Oh, look at their humiliation.
We want more paper.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, more paper. Out of that. See, usually.
Here we are.
Hey!
Fire. It's on fire!
The camera's gonna like break if you start recording this. It's so horrible.
So, Robbie, do you have any inspiring words for future physicists?
Always trust in science.
Good, good. Anything else? Crushing engineers?
Come on, speech. Speech.
There's no other words needed.
They did.
Is it loading everything?
We need to put air in.
So, these might actually have to be a little bit faster. They're gonna work.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ryan, go ahead. Alright. Brace it. Oh, it took me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We drank their milkshake. We drank it all up.
Wise words from a man who knows physics.